Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect gardening stool for your front porch? So my favorite thing about this stool is how versatile it is. I could use it anywhere. I can use it as a stool, I can use it as a coffee table, I can use it as a plant stand. It goes inside, it goes outside. You can really do whatever you want with this, and look at how beautiful it is. So you can also put it anywhere that you want it, and it's gonna look fantastic in any scene that you have it in. I love it here on my front porch next to my favorite chair. I can put a plant on it, or I can have my coffee in the morning. It does everything that I need it to do. I love that this is made from refurbished wood. I'm kind of a sucker for anything reusable or refurbished, and this is just beautiful. I also want to tell you how durable it is. I've had it in the rain, in thunderstorms, in blazing sun, and in the wind, and it stood the test of time. It's holding up just beautifully. This little coffee table is everything that you'll need. It's beautiful, it's functional, and it holds your coffee in the morning. What else could you need? But that's just my point of view.